With Meeting, facilitate dynamic presentations where everyone gets to express themselves and capitalize on all your exchanges. How to create a meeting. From your Klaxon homepage, click on the New button. The Klaxon suite of apps appears. Click on the meeting icon. In the window that opens, give your meeting a name and choose an image from your computer to illustrate it. Click on Create. You are now in the Klaxon Studio. It's the creative space. Enter your meeting's objectives in here. Then click on Save. A meeting is composed of 3 elements. First of all, it has activities like board, quiz, survey, etc. Then live questions, which are simple questions that allow you to get instant consolidated feedback. And finally, a meeting includes presentation slides that you can import or create directly in Klaxon. Start with the activities. For example, create a board to gather the group's ideas. Then add, for example, a quiz. Select an existing one in here. Know that there are dedicated tutorials for each other Klaxon activities. Then we have the live questions. Choose a vote, a challenge, or a storm, which is a tag cloud. Click on Add. Write your question here and click on Create. The last step is the presentation pages. Click on Add a presentation, then on Create a new presentation. Give it a name and click on Create. In the window that opens, click on Add Page, then on Create a new page. Add an image or a video to your new page and text if you wish. Click on Save, and so on for all the other pages. You can also add one or several files, like a PowerPoint presentation, for example, by simply clicking on Import File. Know that to add a PowerPoint presentation, you first need to convert your PPT file to a PDF file before importing it. The slides will automatically become Klaxon pages. At any time, a drag and drop enables you to change the page's order. Click on the plus button and select, for example, the question created previously. You will be able to launch it directly from this page during the meeting. Click on Save, and so on for all your other activities. You can edit your pages, duplicate, or even delete them. And that's it! Your presentation is now ready! At any time you can preview it by clicking here. It's convenient to test and adjust your pages and even see here what it looks like in smartphone view. Click here to go back to the meeting's edit screen. You're ready! It is now time to launch your meeting. Do not hesitate to use the choices suggested here. Publish your activity with an access code and get your participants to connect via email address. And there you go! All you have to do is to facilitate your meeting. Here, you are in the meeting interface, which allows you to launch your activities and presentations and interact with the team. To connect the team, several possibilities exist. If the participants are with you in the same room or in remote, click on the bottom left-hand corner on the automatically generated code. You can ask each member to scan this QR code or to log on to this address on the website and to add this code. If the participants are not with you, you can send them the connecting link or invite them directly by email by clicking on the name if they have a Klaxon account or on their email address. Each member joins the activity by filling in its profile and by clicking on Join. You can check if everyone is present in the list of participants. At any time, start your presentation here and do not forget to activate SynchroPress so that everyone gets to see the same page at the same time. Let's go! In the first side, launch the storm question prepared beforehand. Everyone participates and can like the ideas sent. The answers appear instantly, you interact with the team and share a capture of the word cloud in the timeline. Then go through all the pages with the team. Place a slide if necessary in the timeline and launch your activities at the right time. And go back to the meeting timeline when necessary. This is the place where everything you do with the participant is displayed. Finally, there are 2 things to know. In the activities area, you will find all your activities and live questions prepared beforehand. Launch them at your own pace. You can even create new ones during your meeting. Then, in the stats area, find all the statistics of your meeting and in particular the commitment rates of the team. The meeting is now coming to an end. Close it by clicking here to generate the automatic report. Everyone ranks the meeting and adds a comment if needed. Click on Export to retrieve all the information of your meeting, including a complete report in PDF format. The timeline of the meeting remains accessible to all after the meeting. A capsule is automatically generated at the end of the timeline. Click on it to find the entire presentation. With Meeting, facilitate interactivity and gain efficiency during your meetings, whether they are done in a room or in remote.